According to information published on December 22, the Belgian Air Force has taken delivery of its first of 7 Airbus A400M military transport aircraft. The aircraft was handover of the customers at the A400M Final Assembly Line in Seville, Spain, and performed its ferry flight to the 15 Wings Air Transport in Melsbroek, Belgium, where the aircraft will be based. In mid-June 2001, Belgium and Luxembourg signed a bilateral agreement to jointly purchase 7 Airbus A400M military transport aircraft for Belgium and 1 for Luxembourg. In the Belgian Air Force, the new A400M will replace the old C-130 in service with the Belgian Air Force since 1972. The aircraft has been modernized several times since commissioning, including new wings and cockpit instruments. The A400M Atlas is an European 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft that was designed by Airbus Military, now Airbus Defence Space, as a tactical airlifter with strategic capabilities to replace all the transport aircraft such as the French Transall C-160 and the American Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules. Cargo capacity is expected to double over existing aircraft, both in payload and volume. The A400M can be operated in many configurations, including cargo transport, troop transport, and medical evacuation. It is intended for use on short, soft landing strips and for long-range cargo transport flight. The A400M is large enough to carry 6 Land Rover and trailers, or 2 light armored vehicles, or a dump truck and excavator, or a Patriot missile system, or Puma or Cougar helicopter, or a truck and 25-ton trailer.